Want to solve the Rubik's Cube faster? Your speed isn't just about algorithms, it's about finger tricks. Let's dive into the best finger tricks to improve your solving time. 1. Flick moves. U and U film projector close-up of the cube's top layer. First, the U and U flicks. Instead of rotating your whole wrist, use your right index finger to push the U layer clockwise, U, and your left index finger to push it counterclockwise, U. This saves time and keeps your hands steady. Push pin tip. Keep your thumb on the front for better control. 2. The R and R push-pull trick film projector slow motion of R move. Instead of gripping the whole right face, push R down with your wrist. For R, flick up with your ring finger from the bottom. This makes movements smoother and prevents unnecessary wrist motion. Push pin tip. Minimize cube rotations by keeping a loose grip. 3. D and D with pinky control. Film projector hand demonstration on bottom layer during advanced algorithms like OL and PLL. Push pin tip. Practice with your pinky to build strength. 4. M slice moves for advanced solvers. Film projector fast M moves in slow-mo. Need fast M or M moves? Use your ring or middle finger to push M down and up. This is crucial for H and Z perms in the last layer. Push pin tip. Combine M and U flicks for crazy fast PLL solves. 5. Look ahead plus finger tricks equals speed. Bullseye, film projector side-by-side slow versus fast solving mic voiceover. Finger tricks alone won't make you fast. Combine them with look ahead, meaning predict your next move while finishing the current one. This keeps your solves smooth and fluid. Push pin tip. Always keep your fingers close to the cube for instant movement. Film projector fast cube solving with timer dropping to sub 10 seconds, and that's it. Master these finger tricks, practice daily, and you'll see your solve times drop like crazy. Smash that like button and subscribe for more speed cubing tips. Rock it!